In this video, I'm going to show you how we can convert a cloud design website into Elementor editable website. You can see this website is created with cloud design, and if you can see here, this is designed by Cloud. And now I want to convert this website into Elementor without coding skills. So this video is for you. So let me get started how we can convert a cloud designed website into Elementor. As the very first step, you need to go softlight.io/cloneWebX, and here you can see this is a very amazing tool that can convert any kind of website into Elementor. So here you just need to click here, go to app. So it will redirect you clonewebex.softlight.io, and here you will see a dashboard where you can see your already projects. Okay, now after login you just need to go back again. You need to install CloneWebX softlight.io extension into your Chrome browser. You can see I have already added this extension link as also have provided into the description. So after adding this into your Chrome, you can see here I have added it, and you also need to pin this because I have already pinned it. So you need to pin it. You can see here I can see this CloneWebX extension. So these two things you need to do first of all, and that secondly you need to go here and you can see this is our website. So we need to convert into the Elementor. So this is very simple. You need to click here. Here you can see present, and you can see here is the a new tab link. So you just need to click here. Now this website will be open into a new tab. I mean, you can preview this website easily. You can see this is a complete website. So first of all, you need to scroll this website down. This website should properly load on your browser. So now after loading your website fully into the browser, you just need to click here in the extension, and here you just need to click on add page. Now after clicking on add page, it will be open into a new tab with the design copying option. Now you can see there you can also copy section by section your website page, or you can copy all the entire page into Inventor. So here you can see in the selector we can select entire page. So now it will select entire page, and then you can see here this should be for Elementors. You can also do for Gutenberg, Webflow, Bricks, and Devify also. And here you can see in the requirements, you need to install a plugin which is called Softlight plugin. So I just click here to download the plugin. You can see this plugin is downloading. You can see this plugin has been downloaded. Now after downloading this plugin, you need to log in to your WordPress website. Now you are in the website. You just need to click on plugins and click on add new. After clicking on add new, you can just click on upload plugin and drag and drop the plugin file here that we have recently downloaded, and click on install. And after that you just need to click on activate the plugin. Now the Softlight plugin has been activated. Now this is very simple. Now I will click on pages and click on add new page, because we are going to add a page to paste the data from CloneWebX to our page. So here I just say cloud design or anything name you can give to your page. So I just named it cloud design page. You can also name it anything. You just need to click on publish. Click on publish. Now I will just click on edit with Elementor. Now you can see here this is empty page. So here I just make one more setting, and in the page layout I just select Elementor canvas to make this fully empty page. You can see this is now empty. Here now you just need to go back into the URL where we have downloaded this plugin, and here you can see there is a button for export. You just need to click on export. Now this has been copied into our clipboard. Now after clicking on export, this data has been copied into our clipboard. So now you just need to go here, click on right click here, and here you can see placed from other website is an option. You just need to click here and then press Ctrl+V from your keyboard, and then this whole page will be automatically pasted here within few seconds. Now you can see this has been fully pasted here. If you click here, you can see this is the text that you can easily change here, and here if you go here, these are the images section. You can also change the image. You can see image source is external URL. You can also upload your own image, and if you go here down to other sections, you can as easily edit these sections by clicking on the sections. So this is very amazing and pretty good. You can see still you can change the background images, the text, and so on. So this is fully editable into the Elementor. You can change anything that you want. But you can see here something, here is the highlighted, because there is not an 100% copied into that, but you can still make changes. I mean, you can remove these issues, but this is fully converted into Elementor without any coding, without MCP or anything. You can just convert your cloud designed website pages into Elementor within just a few clicks. So here I just click on publish, and then we will review this live version. And here I just click on preview, and here you can see this is the live version of this page that have been converted into Elementor. So if you see here, you can see these are amazingly done. So this is how you can convert your cloud designed website into Elementor with using CloneWebX. So this is very amazing and quick trick with the help of which you can convert your design into Elementor. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button, and don't forget to visit CloneWebX, because this is an amazing tool that can convert any kind of websites into Elementor within just few clicks. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thank you so much.